Hello, Mr. Wellman. This is Jonas. I'm reporting on lab number 8, correcting eyesight. So these are just my screenshots I took of the application. Okay, so for this lab, you wanted us to talk about number 3 and number 5. So for number 3, it says, for question 2, explain how the corrective lens work for a farsighted eye. So I just took a quick note here for number 3 and number 5. So how the corrective lens work for farsighted people is that farsighted people cannot see nearby objects. So we're using a converging lens that will provide a far image. And then for number 5, it's kind of the opposite. Nearsighted people don't have any problem seeing nearby objects, and their problem is seeing far objects. So nearsighted people will need diverging lens, which will provide a closer image. And yeah, that's about it for this lab.